Best extensions or add-ons for WhatsApp. Now, if you're looking for some of the extra applications or services that you can use with WhatsApp, first of all, we must bear in mind that WhatsApp itself is an independent application and it does not have to much rely on other services and applications while you're trying to work, right? So maybe you want to call someone, you don't have to download other app, you can call them from here. If you're trying to chat, you can chat from here. If you're trying to view some updates of your friends, you can go to the updates tab and you can add your own status and so on. You can also follow up with some of the communities that you are a part of. But still, if you're looking for some of the add-ons and extensions, especially for Android users, there are some apps, right? So if you go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp add-ons, you'll find many options. One of those apps is a app that will help you download the status. So if you want to download someone's status, you can use this app. You can recover deleted messages for WhatsApp. You can use this app. You can save status. You can actually view second line number or WhatsApp. So these are all the additional apps that you can use for WhatsApp, just depending upon whatever else it is that you're looking to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.